right, so it's Sunday now. We're back down here getting ready to get after it. Hammers was a crazy race yesterday. Slauson won late. East Coast time was like 12:30 till he crossed the line, 12:10, something like that. And then Byler, who's a PA boy, they run the line mountain. Being incredible. He probably could have beat Randy, but I think he stopped and turned Healy over and was kind of helping people along the way, which is pretty cool. He took second, and he didn't finish till 12:45, right around 1 o'clock. So I didn't go to bed till like 1:15. I was watching all the interviews. Just crazy race. I mean, two finishes in total out of, 100 or more people that started. So Dave Cole really threw it to him. So pretty cool. Check it out. If you didn't watch it live, you can still go in and watch the feed. Watch the last couple hours, especially the stuff at night was just crazy wheeling. So, but back on the Jeep. What did I learn so far? These things, these outer wheel seal things are junk. I'm not going to use them at all. I was trying to RTV this one in there last night because the seals weren't really holding. And then what I realized was the axle spins, it was just going to spin this too. So it came with like these other O-rings, but there's already O-rings in it. I don't know, it just isn't going to do anything. So I got this far last night, but this backing plate is on backwards. So I got to pull these bolts back out, flip that back around. So I'm going to do that. Get the rotor on, get the caliper on. That should wrap this side up, other than some wire routing, which I'll throw all that here for now. That should be good. And then we'll jump over to that side, on the passenger side, to start working on that. So this is it's looking pretty good. So let's flip this around and get the brakes and stuff on here. Still working on going back together with this side. Sway bars dangling. I'm getting these mounts put together. They're pretty terrible to put in. But it got me remembering that I had a broken bolt back here on the sway bar. You see, that snapped off. So what we're going to do is take a nut like that. I have an old lock nut that isn't any good. We're just going to put that right on there. And I'll hold it with my little magnet then. Weld it on there. Need two hands to do this really, but doing this with one hand. Anyways, I'll cut back to it once I get this nut on here and tacked on. Alright, that's on there now. Ratchets to reverse. Just twists right off. Ay. That is so frustrating. Well, let's try to drill it. Well, calling it quits for the day. I got this side mostly assembled, except I'm missing one of these bolts. I'm not missing it, I cut it. And I had an XJ axle, but they're longer on an XJ. So I guess I gotta go online and try to order one of them. It's not a huge deal. Couldn't drill this nut out back here. Having a terrible time with it. So if you look, what I did was I just punched the captive nut out. You can see there. So I'm just I can reach in right here with another nut, get it over the hole and thread into it. So that's all I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna fight with it. Trying to drill it out was a pain and it just wasn't coming. So that's where we're at. I need a bolt and keep going back together with it. I did take the panhard bar back off. It was cocking the angle of the axle really weird. I gotta really refresh my memory on how you adjust those too. So I'll get it down on the ground with some weight on it and then get that thing under it. But yeah, I don't know, rolling along. Gonna work on the steering, and I got it laid out on the floor here. I'm going to start assembling those links and put them on tomorrow when I come down here. So, later.